Let's see how to transfer domain from Bluehost to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu click on Domains. Now from the top click on Add a new domain. Select Transfer an existing domain. Here we need to enter our domain that we want to transfer from Bluehost to Hostinger. Now click on Transfer. And as you can see that it's showing that requirements not met. Domain is locked at the current registrar. So at first we need to unlock the domain at Bluehost. Once our domain is unlocked at Bluehost, then we just need to copy the authorization code from Bluehost and paste it here. And after that we can easily purchase this domain from here. Now let's go to Bluehost, unlock the domain and get the authorization code. Log into your Bluehost account. Now click on Domains and select the domain that you want to transfer to Hostinger. Now here you will see the domain log option. Just turn it off from here. After that from the top just click on Move and Access. Once you are here just click on Request Authorization Code. After that just select a region and then click on Continue. Now again click on Continue with Transfer and after that just click on Send Authorization Code. And Bluehost will send you an authorization code on your registered email address. Once you receive the authorization code, go back to Hostinger Edge panel. Once the domain is unlocked, here you will see the authorization code option. Just paste it here and then click on Continue. And after that you can easily purchase the same domain from Hostinger, and in this way your Bluehost domain will be transferred to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.